there, aspiring writers. Welcome to My Captain, where we are going to take you on an epic adventure into the world of content writing careers. Hi, I'm Captain Bhavna, and with over 7+ years of experience, I have worked with brands like Josh Talks, Oxfam, Dine Out, Bagries, UN Women, and many more. Today, I will be your guide on this career tool, and together, we are going to unleash your content writing superpowers. In this video, we are going to talk about what is content writing, role and importance of content writers, fields of content writing, and the burning question, will AI replace content writers? But most importantly, getting started in the world of content writing. So let's dive in. Let's first answer the major question. What is content writing? Now picture this. You are a superhero and your superpowers are words, crafting captivating article, blog posts, and social media content that makes the audience go well, content writing is your superhero ability to engage, inform, and entertain through the magic of storytelling. In simple terms, you are the storytellers of the brands. Let's say that you work for Zomato. Now, as content writer, you will be responsible to convey meaningful, helpful, and insightful messages to inspire and move an audience to take a certain action. We all know India loves cricket and food. Every year, IPL is a big celebration. What do you think Zomato would do at this time? As content writer at Zomato, you will be creating tons of content around IPL. Here are some of the examples of the content that you and your team has created. Isn't that amazing? Do you think you can come up with such content ideas? If yes, then comment them down below. We will tell you more about this in the journey forward. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now, you must be thinking, what is the importance of this role? Well, let me tell you. As a content writer, you're not just a superhero of words. You are a master communicator. Your words hold the key to building trust, credibility, building businesses, and success in the digital world. Do you think Zomato would be such a known brand if it weren't for the words that they use in their push notifications, social media content, billboards, apps, and many other places? But wait, isn't that too much content for one person to write? Of course it is. And that's why it is important to know the fields of content writing. Content writing is a vast field of possibilities for you to explore. Well, to name a few, there is copywriting, SEO writing, ghost writing, technical writing, social media content, email, blogging, script writing, journalism, and creative writing. Now, the choice is yours. You can start with one or master all of them. Want to know how? Check out the next video where we talk about different types of content writing. We will also tell you about the job roles, freelance opportunities, salaries, and income that you can make in this field. Now, let's answer the big question. Will AI really replace these content superpowers of yours? Will you be able to get a good job as a content writer? As I said, you are a superhero, and AI is also one of your weapons. It can never replicate your creativity, intuition, and human touch. We will soon be sharing more guides and tutorials for you to master the world of content. So let's become AI superstars and embrace the future. And not just AI. There are many more such tools that will come in handy for you while creating content. Click on this video to know more about the tools that have revolutionized the content writing world. These tools are the real weapons that help us become the superheroes of the content world. So, do you think you are ready to begin your exciting content writing journey? I think this is just the start, and there is a lot more that needs to be done. But if you think you're ready, then here's a checklist that will be really helpful and important. Firstly, start by creating a portfolio that showcases your skill. Then, start seeking internships and explore freelance opportunities. Third, connect with your fellow content enthusiasts and creators. And most importantly, never stop learning and growing. And that's how we all rise together. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today, but let's do a quick recap. We explored the essence of content writing, your superhero role in shaping brands, the different paths that you can take, and how AI can be your ally. Now, it's time for you to grab your cape and take the next steps on this amazing content writing journey. Thank you for being part of this journey. And remember, the path to content greatness is paved through knowledge and practice. So let's keep exploring additional resources, books, courses, and connect with our community. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content writing tips and insights. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.